Hi everyone, in this video we are going to learn how to read one CSV file, then do some modifications and finally create a new Excel file with modified data. Let's discuss about all the steps. First step is to read CSV file. Then we are going to fill the NA value with some known value. Third is we are going to select only the required columns. And finally, we are going to apply filter and create a new filter data frame and write the data frame into Excel. Let's jump into the code. Over here, you can see we have imported pandas and then we are using read CSV method to read the CSV file. Now let's check the CSV file. Let me zoom in. So in this file, you can see we have 4 different columns: name, age, subject, and other information. Now in the other informations, there are a couple of blanks available here. So let's execute the code. And you can see we got all the data what we had in the input file. And for the blank value, we got NaN. That is not available. Now we are going to fill this NaN value with the unknown. Let me comment this print. Then we can see the modified information. Let me rerun the code. And over here you can see all these not available value has been replaced with unknown. Now we are going to select name, age, and subject. Other informations we may not need it. So let's see how we are going to do that. For that one, what we have done here, we have defined one array called required columns and given the column names: name, age, and subject, these 3 columns. Then we are just passing these columns to the data frame over here, CSV data frame. This will return us the modified data frame with only these 3 columns. And over here we are just going to print the modified data. Let's see if it works as per our expectation or not. And you can see over here that we have only these 3 columns. The last column has been discarded. Now let's discuss about the last step where we are going to apply the filter. Let's say I need all the record where age is greater than 26 and subject is physics. So if you see all these records, only Ross will qualify that criteria where age is greater than 26 and subject is physics. All right, let's see the code. Over here you can see that we are applying filter to the modified data frame and given 2 criteria that age should be greater than 26 and subject should be physics. And we are going to print this filter data and we are going to create a new Excel file with this modified data. Let's run the code and validate. You can see we got Ross as output, as well as we can validate the output file. Let me zoom in. Yeah, we have only rows available here only. Let's do one small modification. Now, if I'm going to say like age should be greater than equal to 26, in that case, PB and Ross should qualify that criteria, right? Let's try. And you can see we got Ross and Phoebe over here. So thanks for watching.